How did the Teacher Bootcamp change your perspective on manufacturing?
I'll admit that most people, I thought manufacturing was this dirty job where you got maybe some good money, but you really were going to be working in an environment that was going to be detrimental to your health, was going to be a problem. All that's gone. Every bit of it. Once I visited these places, we're talking state-of-the-art facilities. We're talking safety requisites that boggle the mind. We're talking people working together. Just everything every illusion that I had was completely taken away.
The Teacher Bootcamp really changed my perspective on manufacturing because my father was in manufacturing for 41 years, and I went to see him at work, and it always looked dirty, it smelled funny, and whenever he came home he was always dirty and filthy. He worked horrible hours, and actually going through the boot camp, it widened my perspective and showed me that manufacturing isn't dirty, and it is very rewarding, and the employees love their jobs. It doesn't have to be what we have in our minds of manufacturing any longer. There's so many robotics, there's so many automated processes, and it was a wonderful change in perspective for me.
When I got into the manufacturing facilities, what I realized is that they were trying to teach us the life skills that workers entering into their new career paths are lacking. Things as simple as social skills and picking up after yourself and showing up on time. Those perspectives I can easily implement with an 11-year-old and teach them from little on up. These are the values you need to have to be successful in your career.
For more information, visit teachersbootcamp.com.